What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's been a very long time since we recorded a video for you guys, but we're gonna get back into this whole YouTube stuff and show you guys some new content. We got some cool stuff going on around here. Right now, Jacob is working on this BMW M5, doing some polishing to it, want to get it protected. And we also have Kyle working on this Volkswagen. From all the previous videos, you guys know that we use Owner's Pride for our ceramic coatings. We've been using OP for a little while now, and we are now using Modesta. So they offer this cool little brochure, kind of shows you what every coating is, BCO1, BCO2. So what we use mostly around the shop is BCO8 and BCO4, aka short term and long term. BCO4 was just finished up on this ran, and look at the results of this thing. It is a mirror. I don't know, something about Modesta just shines a little bit more than all the other coatings I've used, from G-Technique to OP. Now we're with Modesta. Modesta is, like I said, there's only 3 installers all in California. We're now the 4th, which is something super exciting to be a part of. We have their maintenance program that kind of shows you what every product is for, and you can follow like a little QR code to take you all the videos and stuff. Cool little do not wash for dealerships, so when you drop off your car for service or anything, or even if you're just taking to a different shop, and just make sure they know that you have your covered with Modesta. Obviously our beautiful little air fresheners here. So if you're in the San Diego area or anywhere local, please feel free to hit us up if you're interested in any Modesta coatings. We'll give you a free estimate, show you some test spots, kind of show you what we can do with your vehicle, and obviously get it protected. Getting a phone call. Montana from Hive Garage. So what's going on?
Yo.
What up, what up?
That you can come grab our GT3
right now?
and clean it up. Yeah, it's pretty urgent.
Okay. Is the customer picking up today?
Yeah.
Okay, let me have Jacob bring me up and I'll pick it up right now and get it done. What do you want to get done to it?
Like full delivery detail.
Okay, gotcha. Alright, I'll see you in a little bit.
And appreciate you.
Likewise. Talk to you later. So that was Montana from Hive Garage. Their shop is right up the street here, and we do all their cars there, which is awesome. It's a good little relationship we have, and right now they need a GT3 detail, so we'll have Jacob take us up there real quick, grab the car, knock it out for them before the new owner takes delivery of the vehicle. Alright, Huckobo is gonna take us to Hive Garage real quick.
Big boy.
Thank you, sir.
Of course.
Guys, this is Oscar from Hive.
What's up? So I'm just checking out the video. If you guys haven't checked out the YouTube video, we just dropped it today at 9 a.m. If you guys haven't checked out our videos, go check them out. We post every Tuesdays and
Guys, this is the spot to go to.
Don't listen to him.
Guys, check this place out. Which one are we doing?
The 992.
Beautiful. Check this car out, guys. Want to make a cool little montage video getting this car dialed in for them. Screen is epic.
Python.
Python? Sheesh. So we're on a time crunch real quick, but I want to show you guys this car. Oscar, what is this thing?
This car is such a beauty, guys. Like, if you guys know where this car came from, Motor X, obviously, it's a Motor X imported car. This car was also in a BF Goodrich magazine back in the early 2000s, which is insane. Paul Walker didn't actually own this car, but he did drive 15,000 miles out of the 20 that it has. Original miles, which is insane.
Paul Walker, huh?
Yes, Paul Walker. This
Wow.
is like, for him,
Legendary.
this car, like, he was literally in that seat right there. To like think
Right
about it,
hand
like,
drive beauty.
yeah, so it's one of those cars, like, if you know, you know. Mainly, I mean, he had this.
Is this
car
the
when I was
craziest car you guys have?
I mean,
One of them?
one of the craziest.
I know,
this
Diego.
cover right here,
I took some clips of this before Diego covered it up.
dude. But
The full carbon.
this is insane right here.
All the music little. Oh,
No, under this, it's like,
oh wow.
look at that big turbo. Literally everything about this car is just a masterpiece. But if you guys take a look here, literally every little carbon weave matches up to the next. Everything
Wow.
from the hood, bumper, side skirts.
That's the
fenders.
small details that make a big difference.
Like,
I don't know how that's even possible.
This little detail right here,
What is this?
cherry blossom from his garage.
Nice.
Literally in resin just to like finish all the little details. The interior still smells brand new. It smells like brand new shoes.
Carbon strip, carbon
Yeah.
seats.
I love this car. This is most like this is my favorite car so far.
And they do actually have the 400R as well, if you guys know what that is.
Yeah. Oh, watch out, watch out.
Again, so if you haven't been here, you guys got to swing by. What's the address?
5155 Convoy Street here in San Diego. So come check us out, and we
It's the
appreciate
craziest car collection you'll see. Not only just GTRs as well. They have everything from Hellcats to M4s, Aston Martin. Under that covers a 1400 horsepower CPR8, DDD, DDEs, McLaren, and obviously a GTR Mercedes. Alright, so we made it back to the shop with the beautiful GT3. Jacob is now switching over from the M5 to this car. Again, this is an urgent detail, so we got to stop whatever we're doing. That's the agreement we have with Hive, and we're always on call for them. It's just awesome. Get to work on amazing cars with amazing people. I mean, you guys saw that shop they have. They have the craziest car collection you'll see in all of San Diego. So if you're free, go swing by their shop right next door to us, which is beautiful as well. Back to talking for a little bit. We got our foam cannon. We did a pre-rinse, foamed it, did the wheels. Now we're working on the paint. We're doing our 8 square method with our towels. We have 2 separate towels. Gray ones for the uppers and a black one for the lowers. The reason why we use a black mitt for the lower 6 inches of the vehicle is because that's where most of the dirt is built up from driving. So if you notice, see all the tar and stuff on it? I don't know if it's gonna pick up on camera, but we use the black one for this little part under and the gray one for up there. We typically use 3 towels per vehicle, so 2 gray ones versus 1 black one. The black one, it does consist of the front bumper as well. We noticed that this method works a little bit more efficient, safer on the towels. We're not having to reuse the towels over and over again, and you're now guaranteeing that there's no dirt in between the mitt and the car. So enough videoing and slowing Jacob down. As you guys saw, Montana needs his car back pretty quick before the client gets here. So we're gonna help him out, let him get back to the car, and that should be it. We'll show you guys the finishing result. Alright, so we just wrapped up the GT3. You saw a nice little process there. We did our silver detail for Hive, got it all protected with our spray sealant, cleaned up the inner barrels and the wheels, got the paint looking glossy. Good job, Jacobo. There's nothing better than driving a new vehicle that feels clean, you look good, you feel good, and you're in a GT3, so. Here you go, sir.
Ooh.
Want to go check it out?
Always.
Always. Alright, Oscar, first looks.
Ooh, this thing's crazy clean. I remember it had like a couple stains, like
A couple?
dirt everywhere,
Bunch
a lot
of pollen
stains,
everywhere.
Actually. But it actually looks pretty fucking clean. It's pretty freaking clean.
That gloss.
If you can't ask. Yeah, that gloss. I like the tire shine. I know Gizar likes tire shine in all the cars. How Gizar?
Tire shine that doesn't sling, huh? Alright, so there you guys have it. Car is delivered. Oscar,
Appreciate you, Nick. Always a pleasure having you.
Always a pleasure. So yeah, anything that Hive needs, we take care of them. They scratch our back, we scratch their back. If you guys want to see some awesome cars, so that's gonna wrap up the video for today. If you guys did like this video, give me a nice thumbs up, press subscribe, stick around for more detailing clips. As always, leave a comment down below of a video you guys want us to make next. It could be with Hive. If you guys want to see us drive one of these cars, comment a car you guys want to see. Oscar.
Comment down below. Go follow Nick. Always a pleasure having you here.
Follow Hive as well. You guys have a YouTube channel, right?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. So, thank you guys for watching. See you guys next time. Peace.